Paru yang termurah di Singapura. Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. Guys, today I'm here at Geylang Serai Market, guys. So I went up to get my favorite biryani. Okay guys, at Sri Geylang Serai Biryani, Sheikh Abdul Hamid bin Sheikh Daud. Okay guys, the biryani. But today I want to share with you a hack, guys, a hack. The cheapest beef lung that you are able to get in Singapore. Okay guys, the cheapest, I guarantee you that, the cheapest beef lung paru berempah Pondok Abang in Singapore that you can get. You can get it at Frozen. Okay guys, so Frozen has been our strong supporter and strong customer since day one, guys. Since day one of us manufacturing paru berempah. Okay guys, so alhamdulillah now we are the largest paru manufacturer in Singapore. Okay guys, so if you want to get the cheapest, if you berniaga, you have a food business, then you are getting your supplies at Geylang Serai, and you want to get your beef lung untuk you punya nasi padang, untuk you punya mie rebus, mie soto kan, you can go to Frozen. Okay guys, you can get paru berempah here, paru rebus, and also our surrounding. Okay guys, so do not forget, jangan cakap abang tak payung dekat mana nak dapat paru yang termurah di Singapura.
Order now from pondokabang.com.
The best authentic Malay food made traditionally.